You've been in an accident, you're hurting, you don't know what to do. You don't know what damages you're allowed to recover for. Neblett Beard and Arsenault will help you recover the damages you sustained in an automobile accident. We can help you get compensated for your lost wages, your medical bills, your pain and suffering, loss of enjoyment of life. We can even help your family members collect money for their losses when you've been injured. You've been in an accident, your car is smashed. What do you do? At Neblett Beard and Arsenault, we can help you get your car repaired or get you compensated for the value of your car. And guess what? We do it for free. We do it for you. Often, you don't start to experience symptoms from a car accident until the adrenaline rush is over. What happens when you start hurting? Should you see a doctor? Yes, you should. If you don't have a family physician, or if it's after hours, you can go to an urgent care. They provide an excellent service for minor injuries. It's important that you tell the doctor of all of your complaints related to the car accident. It's important that you are honest with the doctor and that you do not exaggerate your symptoms. The doctors record all of your complaints and evaluate your injuries. That evaluation, along with your complaints, is part of your medical records. In order to prove your case, Neblett Beard and Arsenault will get your medical records and use them as evidence of your injuries. It's important that you follow your doctor's instructions and make all of your appointments. Some rules to remember: if you are prescribed medication, please bring us your receipts. If you are unable to work, make sure that you get an excuse from your doctor. You've been in a car accident and you're hurting. What do you do? How do you get to a doctor? At Neblett Beard and Arsenault, we help you get to the doctor you need. Whether it be an orthopedic surgeon or a chiropractor, we can help you find the doctor you need. Often, people can't afford to pay for their medical coverage. Neblett Beard and Arsenault can help you find a doctor who will work with you on payment arrangements. Often, we can find someone who will wait to be paid until your case is settled. You check your mail, and there they are. Bills from the hospital, the ambulance company, the doctor. What do you do? Call Neblett Beard and Arsenault. We help our clients get their bills paid. We force the insurance company to pay their medical bills as part of the resolution of their case. When seriously injured in an automobile accident, you can expect to have medical bills for the rest of your life. At Neblett Beard and Arsenault, we make certain that your future medical bills are calculated and are part of any resolution of your case. Oftentimes, Medicare, Medicaid, or your health insurance company will pay for your medical bills that are related to your accident. Medicare and Medicaid have a right to get their money back. Neblett Beard and Arsenault will make sure that Medicare and Medicaid are reimbursed so that they don't cut you off of the needs that you have for future care. You've been injured in an accident and can no longer work. Are you entitled to compensation? Yes, you are. Generally, there are two types of compensation: past lost wages and future lost wages. You are entitled to compensation for past lost wages when your injuries temporarily keep you from returning to work. Unfortunately, sometimes people are injured and their injuries keep them from returning to work on a permanent basis. Those are called future lost wages. At Neblett Beard and Arsenault, we can get you compensated for past lost wages or future lost wages. When you can no longer work as a result of an injury, how do you prove what you're entitled to? Most people can prove their loss of income through pay stubs or income tax returns. For some of you, like the self-employed, it can be a little more complicated. Neblett Beard and Arsenault can help you with your lost wages. People sustain injuries all the time, which permanently disables them from being able to return to their regular job. This is called loss of earning capacity. At Niblett Beard and Arsenault, we hire the proper experts to make certain that your disability is defined and that your wages are paid. Compensation for pain and suffering depends on the extent of your injuries. Obviously, some injuries are worth more than others. Any legitimate injury caused by another entitles you to compensation. How is that compensation figured? Compensation is based on case history where courts have decided the value of people's injuries. At Niblett Beard and Arsenault, we collect your medical records and research your injuries to determine what they are worth. No client goes unfairly compensated at Niblett Beard and Arsenault. Compensation for pain and suffering includes the mental and physical pain that you endure as a result of an accident. At Niblett Beard and Arsenault, we make certain that you see qualified physicians who treat the injuries that you have, whether it be a board-certified occupational medicine specialist, an orthopedic, a neurosurgeon, a chiropractor, physical therapy, massage therapy. What you need, Niblett Beard and Arsenault will provide to you. You've been seriously injured in a car accident. It not only affects you, but your loved ones too. When an injury prevents you from living up to the standards you're accustomed to and it affects your family, they have the right to make a claim. That claim is called loss of consortium. To learn more about loss of consortium, call Niblett Beard and Arsenault. The loss of a loved one is one of the most tragic experiences in life. When this is due to the fault of another, you're entitled to compensation for your emotional pain and suffering and your financial loss. Financial loss can include things such as funeral expenses and lost wages. Unfortunately, people often suffer before they pass as a result of an accident. When your loved one suffers prior to passing as a result of an accident, are you entitled to recover damages for the suffering that he or she sustained? Yes, you are.